Good morning, Bella. Good morning. Good morning, Bella. Good morning. How you doing today? I'm going fishing. Are you gonna miss me? You gonna miss me, Bella? Bye, Bella. What's good, everybody? I'm back out here at Lake Berryessa to do some more fishing. But unfortunately, I did not check the weather before coming out here. So sadly, it's extremely rough. The conditions are extremely rough right now. It is just super windy. And I just want to show y'all just how windy it is. So I'm gonna take a step outside and whoa, look at that. It is bad. It is absolutely horrible. Just look at the water right now. Jesus Christ. It is terrible. The wind is so freaking strong. This is insane. Oh my God. The wind is so strong, it's making the waves a lot bigger and stronger and powerful. So it almost reminds me of this almost reminds me of the ocean, to be honest. And this is terrible. It's so windy right now. If you take a look at the docks, they're moving around like crazy because of the wind. The waves are just super powerful. This is absolutely insane and not ideal for a small little portable boat like mine's. Yeah, that's terrible. That's just, fishing conditions right now are just completely god awful. And a part of me wants to just launch out here and see what happens, but there's a more logical, less impulsive side to me that's telling me, Ian, be smart. You have a portable boat, and being out here with really rough conditions, some bad shit might happen. Like I might just get capsized and, you know, fall into the water, and I don't want that to happen. You know, get everything all wet. That is just to catch a couple fish. That's not worth it. That is not worth it whatsoever. And with it being so windy right now, I don't even know if I can catch fish. I doubt it. It's too windy, you know. There are days where it's slightly windy, you can still catch fish, but on a day like this where the wind is just howling at you, forget about it. Just I don't know. I'm just didn't check the weather, just drove an hour and 45, an hour and 50 minutes, almost 2 hours to get out here, and conditions are horrible. Conditions are absolutely terrible, and might just have to go home because of this. It is a waste of my time, but I messed up. That's on me. I didn't check the weather. I didn't look at the forecast. This is bad. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, so I'm at a different launch site now where it's a lot less windy here. The water is a lot calmer, so I don't have to worry about my boat getting capsized or anything like that. And hopefully the bite's good here. I haven't fished in this particular area for a while now, so I have no idea how productive it's gonna be today, but regardless, I'm just gonna head out there and see what happens. I'll catch y'all in a minute. This one, yes! Got one, yeah! Woo! He's fighting pretty hard. Woohoo! Look at that. Nice bass. Nice. Woo! She got a lot of energy in her. Wow, look at her. Woo! There we go. First fish of the day. All right, drag you around here. All right, there we go. Oh, yes! Woohoo! First fish of the day. This is a very nice bass. She fought very well. She's about probably 2 to 2.5 pounds. Got one hell of a belly. So either she's been feeding up really well or she's ready to spawn, because it is pre-spawn season right now. So that is good. She's very healthy and fought well. There she goes. There's one. Yes. Second fish of the day. It's been pretty slow due to the wind, but it's cool. I'm still catching fish. That's a good thing. Fighting pretty well. Not a big one, but still fought well. Oh shit, is this one a smallmouth? I think this one might just be... Is it a small... No, it's a largie. Okay, buddy. Thank you for being my second fish of the day. There he goes. There's one. Third fish of the day. I was getting worried because the wind started to pick up again, and I was like, oh no, is the bite gonna just shut down? But looks like it's still going. There's more fish here. Smallest fish of the day, but still a fish. I'll take it for sure. Alrighty, bud, time for you to go back into the water. There we go. He's gone. There's one. Yes. Fourth fish now. Awesome. This is turning out to be a pretty good day for a windy day. Little guy. Alright. Get over here, buddy. Oh shit, y'all. Take a look at that. She choked the robo worm, so I'm gonna have to take out the pliers. There we go. Okay, he's been unhooked. Now it's time for him to get released back into the water. All right, get bigger, buddy. This one, yes. Didn't feel this guy bite. You just kind of start taking my line, and then at first I thought it was a snag, and then my line started moving. Another little dude. I was actually about to leave this spot. I didn't think there was any more fish, but looks like this spot has maybe one or two more fish to give. Awesome. Okay, he's been unhooked. Now it's time for him to go back into the water. Want you to get bigger over the summer. See ya. Alright, y'all, so the bite has slowed down a bit now, so I'm gonna take this time to explain to y'all how I'm catching these fish. Basically what I'm doing is I'm casting the drop shot towards rocky cliffs that have a steep drop off, because that's where I get all my bites. Now, not every rocky cliff that you see that has a steep drop off is gonna hold fish, but you do have a higher chance of catching fish in those areas. So if any of y'all are interested in coming out to Berryessa to do some bass fishing, I highly suggest you guys look for areas that are rocky and just start casting from there and see what happens. And now it seems to be getting pretty dark, so I'm gonna wrap things up pretty soon. I'm gonna cast in one last area, and if I don't catch fish there, then I'm packing everything up and heading home. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home now after a pretty decent day of fishing. Caught a total of 5, with the first one being a solid 2 to 2.5 pounder, and the second one was a decent keeper sized fish. The other 3 were just dinks, but hey, it's cool. A fish is still a fish. Even with the wind being so strong that it made it really difficult for me to paddle around, I still managed to catch a couple fish, which honestly is pretty good. As I told y'all in the beginning, my original plan was to go out there and catch some big hogs, but the moment I got to Berryessa today and saw just how windy it was, I was like, yep, nope, ain't gonna catch a big one today. No, that's not happening. I should have checked today's weather before heading out there, but hey, the day turned out to be pretty good, and you know, I didn't get skunked, so can't really complain. So although the big hogs eluded me this time, the next time I head out there, mark my words, I am gonna catch a biggin. I'm just kidding, y'all. Don't actually mark my words. I have no idea if I'm gonna catch a biggin or not, but I'm just saying, I feel like the next time I head out there, I will. With that being said, I will see y'all on Saturday out on the surf, because I have been itching to do some more surf fishing, because it has definitely been a while for me. Hopefully I'll catch some slabs out on the beach with the new surf fishing lure that I just bought, which y'all will see on Saturday. I'll see y'all then. Good night and tight lines, everybody.